Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on the patio. Tonight I'm smoking my GBD, and I can't remember the name of this pipe. Let's see if I can figure this one out for you here. I think it's just the 9456. I don't think it's actually got a name on it. It's the GBD 9456. It's a nice English pipe. And in it, I'm smoking Grasmere Flake from Galwith and Hogarth. So we got some wind blowing here tonight. We've been getting we've got a fire burning about 5 miles to the east of us here. Pretty good fire. And we've been getting evacuation warnings sent to us from the sheriff's department. Telling us to be ready to evacuate. The fire is, well, it was about 5 miles east of us. Now it's about 4 miles east of us. Right now we're getting about 15 to 20 mile an hour winds, and we're expecting 50 to 60 mile an hour winds about 4 a.m. coming from the east, which will blow the fire towards us if they don't get it out before then. But the winds are blowing out here pretty good right now. So I'm just kind of keeping an eye on the news. Just doing what they tell us. I'm pretty sure we'll be okay. I gotta tell you, those firefighters are something else, man. They had Cal Fire was down in there, and they had a bulldozer down in the canyons where it had started, and they were just bulldozing fire breaks, but the wind was blowing it so hard that it was jumping fire breaks. Those guys were down in there just working away in the dark, climbing the canyons and packing all that gear in and out. They've lost a couple of houses already. I'm not smelling it as bad as I was, so I'm thinking they may be making some good progress, but they've got the helicopters up flying, dropping water on it. Those helicopters are going down and just dropping their hose down into people's swimming pools and sucking the water out of the swimming pools and going and dropping it on the fire, man. It's amazing. That way they don't have to fly all the way to like a reservoir or something. They just go right to a swimming pool and they'll drain it from the swimming pool. Save somebody's home. Earlier we had helicopters just flying all over out here. I'm sure some of them were news helicopters, but a lot of them were the fire choppers. Man, the wind is picking up right now. It's picking up out here. And I'm sheltered on 3 sides here, and it's still blowing out here. Actually, I'm pretty much sheltered on 4 sides because I got a hill in front of me, the house on 2 sides, and this is all big giant juniper bushes on this side here that are just 50 years old. That are taller than the house. Probably 15 feet wide. 2 of them that are 15 feet wide here. And they just block everything. So I'm pretty much, sheltered in here pretty good, but the wind is still blowing. As you can hear, those wind chimes are chiming pretty good tonight. But I just thought I'd come out here and have a little pipe while I was waiting, but it's getting so windy out that I don't know how much longer I'll stay out here. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. So I'll try, and if it gets up in, the big 40, 50, 60 mile an hour winds, I'll try and get some video of that out here so you can see what it's like. But I'll catch you guys later. Have a good night.